Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. It's like 5 minutes since I did the last video, but they'll be up at different times, but you don't need to know that. Well, I guess you know that now. Anywho, welcome to another video. Just want to show you a quick little project here. Oh, by the way, in my shop tour video yesterday, every once in a while I find a board and there's like a face in it. Now, I just think it's funny. I'm sure you've seen these in other woodworking channels and out and about, Facebook or whatever. I think it's funny sometimes. I found this one, and so I just keep it next to my miter saw here. What do you see? An ostrich, an alien, a zombie, some weird guy? A dork with an eye problem? I know. I know I'm weird, but if it helps you smile, that makes me happy. Anywho, quick little video here to show you a little project I made. Nothing fancy, but it's useful. Okay, so, see if I'll sit there without falling. See if I can stand here without falling. Anywho, yeah, I still got the heater going. It's pretty cold in here. It's 22 degrees in here. Anywho, love it. Better than summer. There's no mosquitoes. Anywho, it's really fun to do woodworking projects and to do fancy stuff and complicated stuff and, you know, fun things. Be really creative. That's really great. But sometimes it's nice to just make a useful item. And that's what I did right here. What is it? It's a little tote for my stains, sealers, and glues. Okay? Nothing fancy. Y'all, I took 20 minutes to make this, start to finish. Don't look too close. I just used some cut off scraps of pine. Nothing fancy, but it's heavy duty, it'll last, and it works. So, I don't have heat in my shop. Well, I have a heater, a propane heater, but it's not on all the time. So my shop is cold and really hot in the summer. So cold in the winter, hot in the summer. But so I don't keep my stains and sealers and glues and adhesives and those kind of things. I don't keep them in my shop all the time. I had them on the shelf yesterday for my video, but otherwise I don't keep them in here. I keep them on the shelf in the house, in our mudroom, in the laundry room area. And then in the summertime, well, spring, summer, and fall, I have them in my shop, but in the wintertime I have them in there. But I thought it'd be nice to have a little tote, if you know, for bringing them back and forth from in the house to my shop, or if I'm working on a project out and about, I have my tool box that I made that I can bring places, and now I can have this too. Simple, just some cut off pieces of pine. I slapped them together, used my nail gun and glue. I had a dowel for a handle. I just made a couple of measurements. It's nothing fancy. It's like, I don't know, 8 by 18. 1x6s, nothing fancy, but it holds a whole bunch of cans of my sealers and glues and stains and paints. Really simple, y'all. I mean, it doesn't have to always be complicated. Sometimes it's, oh my goodness, for the love of Pete. Okay. Sometimes it's nice to just make a useful item. Simple, not complicated at all. I didn't even really sand it very well. It's just kind of slapped together, but it works. I'll probably sand it better and put a coat of sealer on it, but it's simple. I'm a simple man, y'all. I'm a simple man, living a simple life. I don't know what that was. Well, it's kind of simple. Sometimes it gets complicated. I mean, let's be honest, but I know I'm weird. I don't know what all that was, but anyway, sometimes it's nice to just make a simple, useful project. And a lot of times, like shop projects and house projects and stuff, just simple things that are useful. This is one of them. Just a little tote for my stains and sealers and glues and paints that I can bring back and forth between the house and the shop, or I can use it out and about if I'm on a project. Yeah, just a quick little project that's I'd show you. I got another one coming up. I'm going to do it a little bit, but yeah, as I make things in my shop, when I have time, when I'm home, I'll just, you know, make projects and then I'll share with you. I have a whole bunch of, I have a huge list of things that I want to make out of wood this year. Projects for in the shop or in the house, you know, in our on our property, and just different projects and woodworking things and just different things. As I make them, you know, I'll make videos here and there too, but y'all know I work full-time. I'm a truck driver, 70 hours a week on the road. And I'll do videos, continue to make videos on the road too, hiking and trucking and working and exploring places and all that. But when I'm home, I'll do home projects and woodworking. Anyway, we'll see you soon, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.